Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to day 16 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 16, the gift was a 4-piece sentiment die set that when you cut it, it reads, "You made my day." I used a couple different cardstocks to die cut my words. For you, made, and my, I used a light gray, and for day, I used a light blue. I also cut a circle of white cardstock to place these onto, and once I had the layout where I wanted each of the words, I used a piece of removable tape to pick them all up so I would be able to place them down easy later, and then I got some liquid glue added to the back. Then I carefully peeled away that removable tape and it leaves the words behind. For the background, I cut a 3-inch square from blue cardstock. It's the same color as I die cut the word day from, and I took that off screen, and using one of the embossing folders from earlier this advent calendar, I created an embossed background. I ended up running this through my die cutter 3 times to fill that square. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. To add a little more decoration and help my white circle stand out from the blue background, I cut a scallop circle from the same light gray as some of the words that I die cut, and then I got everything layered and adhered together. To finish this square off, I brought in the Silver Mix Color Essentials gems, and I put one on either side of the word day. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month, I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.